When you spend in the path of Allah, when I spend in the path of Allah, I have two accounts. I have a dunya account, I have an akhirah account. In this dunya account, I can only withdraw in this world. The akhirah account, you and I will withdraw on Judgment Day. When we spend in the path of Allah, all we have done is transfer funds from our world account to our afterlife account. Then you understand the words of the Prophet ﷺ, مَا نَقَصَ مَالٌ مِنْ صَدَقَةٍ. Money doesn't go away because of charity. In أَحْسَنْتُمْ لِأَنفُسِكُمْ. If you're giving, you're only giving for your own selves. وَمَا تُنْفِقُ مِنْ خَيْرٍ يُوَفَّى إِلَيْكُمْ. Whatever you give of any kind of good will be given back to you. By the way, you know, in this world, can your account get frozen by the government? Can that happen? Can they take all the funds out of your account too if some criminal activity happens or whatever? They can do that. Just like that, the akhirah account can be frozen. How? Want to make sure it doesn't get frozen? لا تبطلوا صدقاتكم بالمن والأذى. Don't cancel out all of the charities you've given by making two mistakes. One, don't remind them and don't shove it in their face. Remember what I gave you? If you do that, gone. Nothing left for you in the akhirah. Two, pain, by causing pain. In other words, when you're giving, fine, take it. Don't give with hurtful words. Don't give with a hurtful gesture.